Hello there viewers. Olive oil is widely recognized as one of the world's healthiest oils. But did you know that people tend to live longer and healthier lives in regions where olive oil is a staple part of the diet? Since the turn of the century, many young people have started to focus more on healthy eating, while some people turn towards homegrown food, GMO-free produce, and organic products. Others focus on their cooking methods, such as using extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, is the highest quality olive oil available, extracted from the olive fruit without the use of any heat or chemicals. As a result, many people tend to primarily focus on the benefits of extra virgin oil. While EVOO is considered to be a healthy cooking oil alternative to traditional vegetable oil, many people don't understand why. In this video, we'll go over the benefits of extra virgin olive oil and how it can have positive effects on your physical and mental health. Before that, we are going to talk about what exactly is extra virgin olive oil and how is it made. Olive oil is the oil extracted from olives that are extracted from the olive tree. It's considered to be discovered in Greece, thus why it's considered part of the Mediterranean diet. The olives are compressed with high pressure until they release their extract. The olives are crushed, mixed, and then separated from the pulp and solid matter to extract the raw oil. When the olive pomace oil is refined, it's done in 3 levels: refined, virgin, and extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is the least refined and processed among the 3. Therefore, extra virgin olive oil is considered the healthiest type because it's mostly natural and standardized for purity. It even retains the taste and smell of fresh cut grass, green tomato, and even bananas. EVOO has a distinct taste because it is high in phenolic antioxidants, one of the primary benefits of extra virgin olive oil. The first benefit is olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. 14% of the extra virgin olive oil is saturated fat, and 11% is polyunsaturated fat, including omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. However, the majority of the fatty acid in olive oil is oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that makes up 73% of the total oil content. Studies suggest that oleic acid reduces inflammation and may even have beneficial effects on genes linked to cancer. Monounsaturated fats are also quite resistant to high heat, making extra virgin olive oil a healthy choice for cooking. Number 2. Large amount of antioxidants. The natural extraction method and minimal refinement ensure extra virgin olive oil retains most of its nutrients and antioxidants. EVOO contains over 30 different types of phenolic compounds, powerful antioxidants that protect your body against free radicals. Free radicals are molecules responsible for aging, diseases, and cell damage. The large amounts of antioxidants fight against inflammation and protect your blood cholesterol from oxidation, effectively reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 3. Olive oil has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is thought to be a leading driver of diseases, such as cancer, heart disease, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, arthritis, and even obesity. Extra virgin olive oil can reduce inflammation, which may be one of the main reasons for its health benefits. The main anti-inflammatory effects are mediated by the antioxidants. Key among them is oleocanthal, which has been shown to work similarly to ibuprofen, an anti-inflammatory drug. Number 4. Olive oil may help prevent strokes. Stroke is caused by disturbance of blood flow to your brain, either due to a blood clot or bleeding. In developed nations, stroke is the second most common cause of death, right behind heart disease. One French study that compared olive oil use and stroke incidence to those who consumed the highest amounts of olive oil had a 41% lower risk of stroke. A number of other studies have also found similar results. These findings make sense because people who use olive oil will likely be replacing other less heart-healthy fats in their diet. Combine this with the high antioxidant and monounsaturated fat content in extra virgin olive oil and it's clear why it appears to have a favorable impact on cardiovascular health. Number 5. More olive oil could help reduce your risk of heart disease. Being the most common cause of death in the world, people often overlook heart disease by not taking care of heart health. However, plenty of studies have shown that heart disease is relatively less common in Mediterranean countries, where there's high consumption of olive oil. Number 6. Olive oil may reduce type 2 diabetes risk. Extra virgin olive oil also tends to have positive effects on blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. As a result, it helps ward off type 2 diabetes. Around 1 million people in Australia are thought to have type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by the reduced effectiveness of insulin, the hormone that moves glucose, sugar, out of the blood and into cells to be used as energy. It's thought that the phenolic compounds present in extra virgin olive oil aid in glucose metabolism and improve the sensitivity and effectiveness of insulin. Number 7. Assists in weight loss. Eating excessive amounts of fat causes weight gain. However, numerous studies have linked the Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, with favorable effects on body weight. Most diets that have extra virgin olive oil eventually led to weight loss. The weight loss effects are felt whether you use extra virgin olive oil as cooking oil or just use it for garnishing, for example, on salad dressings. Number 8. Olive oil consumption may improve bone health. Olive oil, especially those rich in polyphenols such as extra virgin olive oil, may prevent bone loss with aging. Animal and human studies propose that olive oil can inhibit bone reabsorption, the breakdown of calcium, and increase bone formation. People who consume extra virgin olive oil have a lower risk of bone fractures, especially for older people. Number 9. The antioxidants in olive oil have anti-cancer properties. Cancer is one of the most common causes of death in the world. People in Mediterranean countries have a lower risk of some cancers, and many researchers believe that olive oil may be the reason. Reduced oxidative damage due to free radicals with the help of antioxidants like oleocanthal plays a role in reducing risk factors of cancer. A large analysis of 19 previous studies found that those with a high consumption of olive oil had a lower risk of breast cancer and cancers of the digestive system. Number 10. Olive oil may fight Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the most common neurodegenerative condition in the world. One of its key features is a buildup of so-called beta-amyloid plaques inside your brain cells. One study compared an extra virgin olive oil enhanced Mediterranean diet with a standard low-fat diet and found those on the extra virgin olive oil diet suffered less cognitive decline, loss of brain function and memory, after a 6.5-year follow-up. Number 11. Olive oil has antibacterial properties. Extra virgin olive oil has nutrients that can effectively inhibit or even kill harmful bacteria in your body. For example, stomach ulcer and cancer-inducing bacterium, Helicobacter pylori, can be inhibited with the continuous use of extra virgin olive oil. A study in humans suggested that 30 grams of extra virgin olive oil, taken daily, can eliminate Helicobacter pylori infection in 10 to 40% of people in as little as 2 weeks.